Cha-ching! Hey guys, just a quick update. So summer this year has been hectic to say the least. Between vacations, my kids being in 3 different summer programs, and a few family emergencies, I haven't had time to do much on the boat. Now that school's back in session, I should have a lot more time to work on the Bayhawk. Now that the new transom is in, it's time to rip out the front deck and the stringers. I started out by carefully dissecting and removing the front deck. Just like the floor, the front deck was made of 3/4 inch plywood that was nailed down on top of deck supports. The supports were made from 2x4s that were brushed with gel coat and glassed into the hole on the ends. As you can see, the plywood was left completely unfinished on the bottom and covered with woven roving on the top. A little bit of work with the Sawzall, grinder, and multi-tool got her cleaned up fairly quickly. With the front deck gone, it was now time to start on the stringers. The stringers were wet and rotten in a few areas, and since I'll be using a different stringer system, they needed to be removed either way. I was able to cut them loose pretty easily with just my grinder and a diamond blade. 2 things caught my attention. First, besides the fiberglass, there was nothing else, like a bedding compound, holding these stringers down that I could see. Second, the stringers looked like they were made of 1x10 Eastern red cedar boards. I'm guessing that was what was available locally for a good price when the boat was built. With just the center stringers removed, the hull has a lot more flex in it than I would like. I will need to level and support it before I cut out the remaining stringers. Stay tuned. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching. Cha-ching!